The ARUM Wi-Fi-controlled electric towel rails is equipped with sophisticated energy-saving features that are smart and practical. The intuitive connected thermostat with backlit display ensures ergonomic use and clear visibility with endless operating modes. ARUM can be connected via Wi-Fi to the dedicated INTELLI HEAT heating management app, as well as 2 further connectivity options, Bluetooth and Zigbee 3.0. In this video we will show you how to connect the ARUM Wi-Fi towel rail to the Mysense app. To connect the ARUM Wi-Fi towel radiator, download the Mysense app, register your account or create a new one. Make sure the towel rail is powered on. Log in and select ARUM towel rail. To connect the ARUM towel rail, you have 2 options. Via the remote control located at the top of the towel rail. From any mode, press OK for 5 seconds. Once connected, please refer to the instructions on your Mysense mobile application. To connect the device via the receiver located at the bottom of the towel rail, press and hold the left button for 4 seconds until both lights are quickly blinking red. Your device is in Now Connection mode. When the connection to the Bluetooth network is established, a long beep will be heard. Refer to the instructions on your Mysense mobile application on how to fully connect the device. Once the device is connected in Wi-Fi mode, it automatically returns to the main screen, with the Wi-Fi and cloud symbols displayed. Go to Settings, then to the Programming menu, where you can have access to the Programming Wizard. You can now have full access to the ARUM settings on the dedicated INTELLI HEAT heating management application. You can program your ARUM by assigning one of the 9 preset programs to each day of the week and monitor the energy consumption in real time.